Fun, silly animal stories, but we can't. We got to talk about Tropical Storm Henri. Now, right now, the storm is undergoing a lot of wind shear. It doesn't really look like a classical hurricane, which means there's some wind kind of tearing the structure apart. It's not very symmetrical. You don't see an eye in the center of the storm, but there is still fairly good agreement the storm will move to the west, then take a northerly turn, strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane, and move parallel to the east coast for a little while. Then the question is, does it take a turn and get closer to the New England coast, or does it kind of drift harmlessly out to sea? The next 36 hours are going to be really key to figuring out which potential path this storm ends up taking. If this storm is stronger within the next 24 to 36 hours, it's going to be on the western side of this track, and we're going to need to watch out. If the storm is weaker, it will able to kind of sneak to the east, and it won't have as much of an impact for us here close to home. So we're watching it. It's not a time to kind of freak out at this point, but just keep an eye on things, especially through the next 24 to 36 hours, because I think we're going to have a much better handle on this thing. Just in case you're following at home, and a lot of you are asking, what does the European computer model show? And I love hearing that, because a lot of you are just so in tune with the weather here in New England because we get so much of it. So I wanted to show you, this is the American computer model with that big bullseye. Whenever you see these concentric circles, you're talking about a really intense storm. This is the European computer model with a really weak storm farther out to sea, and the GFS showing something that's a little bit closer to home and more substantial of an impact for us. So again, like I said, still a lot of potential tracks here on the table, and that entire cone is an area that we're going to need to watch, anywhere from New Jersey to out to sea. Satellite and radar showing what we're going to deal with first, and that is Fred. Showers, thunderstorms heading this way, and they'll get here between 2 a.m. and around 11 o'clock in the morning from west to east, with some showers, locally heavy downpours, and the chance for some thunder. Low to mid 70s for low temperatures tonight. Here comes that rain. This is 3 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m., 9 a.m. Heading into the afternoon, a few lingering scattered showers and rumbles of thunder, but the worst is likely over with at that point. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted our area in a low risk for seeing an isolated tornado. Can sometimes happen as these tropical storms or even remnants kind of come on through. It's a low risk, but something that we'll be monitoring just in case. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon on Saturday, and we'll be watching Henri for Sunday and Monday. Even if Henri doesn't come this way, there's still a chance for scattered showers and storms, and temperatures in the 80s here across the board, guys.